Hello everybody, today we are test driving 2018 VW Transporter T6, which came in with multiple issues. Major one was DPF, EGR. All the problems has been solved and we are having a test drive with our owner driver. Sir, what can you tell us about your van? How was it driving before and how is it driving now?
Well, basically it was driving awful. Smoking, forever wanting to regenerate, using loads of fuel, low performance. But now that Errol's sorted it out, it drives like a brand new van. I would recommend Errol to anybody if they've got problems with a vehicle.
Thank you. Can you see black or white smoke?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's just fresh air coming out the back.
That's good. We are Moorhouse Garage Ltd, located in Westerham, Kent. Also, we are known as supremedpfcleaning.com. We are specialized on DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke, and power loss problems. We are the masters for what we do. We are educated, experienced, and we do guaranteed work. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. I repeat my telephone number again, 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching.